Oliver off before we leave to get on a plane to go to Lake Tahoe.
Yeah.
We're a little sad though.
Gonna miss this little guy.
Oliver.
Oliver.
Ollie. Aww. We just got on the plane, an hour late, but we're on our way.
Had to find flight attendants from another plane. Very exciting. We thought we were never gonna get there.
But we are.
Oh yeah. See you there. Shuttle headed over to go snowboarding and skiing.
Woohoo! Look how beautiful it is. So pretty. Yay! Hopefully we don't fall.
Gonna shred the gnarly pow pow. You like that?
No. Bye.
There she is.
Aubrey had to pick up her pole that she dropped from the ski lift.
Oh, ouch. Yeah,
She got it though, I think.
That was sad. I wish we had that on
Look,
video.
here she comes.
Whoa, that girl has 2 poles and 2 gloves. No big deal. Aubrey, the people heard that you may have had a mysterious pole and glove drop on the ski lift.
Yeah, it's so embarrassing.
It's not embarrassing. It happens to the best of us.
You made it.
That's okay. Second day on the slopes.
Woohoo!
How you feeling?
Sore.
She's sore. I am also sore, but also excited. Kobe! Aubrey! Hey, friends! We are starting on the easy slope today. We're gonna work our ways up, graduate to tougher and tougher slopes. It is a beautiful day here in Lake Tahoe. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh man, it is nice. As they say, there is a lot of pow on the mow. Yeah, mountain. You see how I shortened it?
No one says that.
I think people say pow. I'm not sure if they say mow, but I'm gonna try and start it. Oh man, I just realized my thumb is kind of over the camera. Hope you guys didn't mind that too much. Here it is, no thumb, yes thumb. That's a bummer. Oh well. It's your birthday.
It is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thanks. And now, we're about to go tubing.
There we are. Hey babe, what are we doing? Tubing! Very cool. In the tube tunnel. See ya!
I don't know what he's doing. He's being silly.
Here we are at
Emerald Bay.
pretty sweet. If you can see back there in the back, see if I can zoom in.
There's a little island with a castle on it.
Point to it. There's a castle with how many rooms? 38.
38.
That's crazy.
It's crazy. It looks like this small. I feel like an Eskimo.
You look like a cute Eskimo though.
Covering my face.
Can I have an Eskimo kiss?
Oh yes, you can.
Alright, we are currently on the gondola ride with our friends. Oh yeah! Check out that view. In case you're curious, how much did this gondola ride set us back? It was only $58 a person! 58 bucks a person. I feel embarrassed to tell you guys that. Alright, but it's not our fault, it's the place's fault. And we drove here all the way for it, so we had to do it. It's expensive, but worth it.